Okay, so I'm going to do a proper video on this later, but for now I just want to show you kind of what I've been working on this afternoon. Quick, like couple of hour project. It's just an Arduino and a speaker and a keypad and RGB LED. And what I've done is I've created what I call the Chameleon box, and it is 4 different phone phreaking boxes in one. Of course, it's an incredibly anachronistic project because I'm using a microcontroller to do the job that a 555 timer probably would have done, and also the system that these relied on, which is the in-band signaling, which is a tone-based telephone system signaling, is out of use. So you can't box phones anymore, at least not with these style of boxes. So anyway, this has 4 different Phreak boxes in one, and to select which one you use, you just turn it on, and you've got an RGB LED there, and if you press 1, it goes into, you can't tell, it's shining white, which is a beige box. So it'll play DTMF tones, which are the tones that your handset would generate. And if it were a true beige box, you'd unplug these banana jacks here, and you'd plug in alligator clips instead, so it would act like a lineman's headset. But here's what you get. So those should sound fairly familiar. Those are the tones that your phone makes when you dial it. Now I'm going to turn it off, turn it back on again, and press 2, and you get a blue light. And the blue light is for blue box, and the blue box plays MF tones, which are signaling tones. So here are those sounds. And now if I turn it back off and then turn it on again and I press a 3 on startup, I get a red light, so it's in red box mode. So these are the tones that payphones used to use to signal that you had put change into them, so you could play these into the phone and actually get free calls this way. So this is what a nickel sounded like, and a dime, and a quarter. Okay, and then if you turn it off and turn it back on one more time, and then go into press key 4, it goes into green box mode. It goes to green light, and the green box plays the remote payphone control tones. So you can do like a coin return. You can do a coin request, and you can also do a ring back. And those are all tones. The little chirp you hear beforehand is a 2600 hertz chirp that's used as a start signal for those types of tones. So that's the green box, and I did sort of a sloppy. It's just polished enough to give it sort of a finished look, but I purposely did sort of a retro-looking hacked together deal so it would look like an old blue box or something like that. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that hack, and I'll do a proper video about that later.